Good morning to all of you. It's a great pleasure to welcome our today's chief guest, Thiru S. Sarachandar, General Manager HR, Walk-in Technologies Private Limited, to our today's program on career advancement in the core companies. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting our invitation to tell our students the career opportunities in the core industries for them. I extend my welcome to our respected principal, Dr. Ravichandran, and IIC winner, Dr. Jyotish Kumar, on this auspicious function. And I feel elated to welcome our beloved chairman, vice chairman, and registrar on this auspicious function. I feel elated to call upon our respected principal, Dr. Ravichandran, to deliver this. Sir Ravi, sir?
Yes.
Over to you, sir.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Dignified Chief Guest, Mr. Sarachandar, General Manager HR, Walk-in Technologies, Professors, colleagues, Mr. Raja, Placement Officer, Dr. Jyotish Kumar, Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. My dear students, wish you all very good morning. I join Mr. Raja in welcoming the Chief Guest, Mr. Sarachandar, a very valuable Chief Guest. As the placement season draws closer, you must be working hard to get your job hunting before your dream companies come to your campus for recruitment. You might be in phase where your friends and relatives are asking you whether you want to go to core company or a service-based company, or whether you want to become an entrepreneur or something like that. It's one of the toughest decisions, most arduous choices are the questions that tend to bring your life change, some of the life-changing moments because of your decision you make, what you today. So for a fresher, it is choosing between the right firm to work either as a job or as an entrepreneur. It's a very valuable decision you would be making in the days to come. What decision you make today plays a vital role, a pivotal role in garnering the relevant experience in one's desired field. To make an informed decision, you should have a very clear understanding of what kind of work both these companies do, what they look for in candidates while hiring them, what the job security, market scope, pay packages are like in the product-based companies and the other one, service-based companies. In this article, in this webinar, you will be knowing much better from Mr. Sarachandar. I'll not take more time. I'll leave the session to Mr. Sarachandar shortly. Hope you enjoy and grab the best from the chief guest. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And I feel, thank you, sir. I feel elated to introduce our today's chief guest, Thiru Sarachandar, General Manager HR, Walk-in Technologies Private Limited. He is a BTech MBA graduate, trained the trainer graduate, and he is having 1 year experience in the IT development sector, ERP and SAP, a breathing 10th year in human resource management and talent management experience, key member in building 150 employees to 2,300 employees organization in the span of 3 years, core committee member towards organization's growth, responsible for pan-India campus and lateral recruitment, one of the internal committee member towards maintaining the quality standards, cross-functional, member in board of studies for several colleges, especially for computer science department, attended 20 plus colleges NBA committee meeting, addressed the college specific issues and solutions, closely connected to around 400 plus colleges in South India, also to the young minds. In personal touch with the 200 plus professionals from various skill sets, ranges from mid-level to senior level professionals, conducted a survey to reduce the gap between college campus to corporate, C2C. So thank you so much. Dear students, pay enough attention. You will be immensely benefited. I hand over the session to our guest, through S. Sarachandar.
Thank you, Dr. Ravichandran sir, and thank you, Mr. Raja, for introducing me and giving this opportunity. It's a mutual pleasure to have a connect with the young minds. And probably today's session, as you know that I hear that the audience are from final year core branches plus MBA first year.
Yes, sir.
Am I right, Mr. Raja?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And one more special thing in today's webinar is that, this is my first webinar once I joined with Vacant Technologies. Probably in InfoView's banner, I reached your college twice. And in another 2 years, probably through off-campus drive, you guys connected with other colleges. So this is the first time we are connecting in Vacant Technologies brand. So probably in that I have to thank you. It's special as well in today's session. So I'll move through with my presentation. Did my presentation is visible to all?
Yes, sir. We can see it, sir. No issues.
Okay. How shall do? Just a minute. Just a minute. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Just a minute. Yes, yeah. So this is about today's topic, career advancement in the product-based companies. In my earlier company, InfoView, probably it belongs to product company, and my present company, Vacant Technologies, also belongs to a product company. And many of you wish to understand the difference between the product-based companies and the service sector. I wish to be like a two-way communication webinar. Probably in at frequent times I'll raise a question to you. Please open up. So with that we will take it forward. And before that, I wish to share you about association. Association is something important. Did my second screen is visible to you all?
No, sir. It is, I mean,
Still in first slide.
first slide. Yes, yes.
Yeah, it has moved.
Okay, why are you unable to get this full screen? Okay, Okay, anyways. So I wish to start my webinar with Swami Vivekananda's quote. It's about association. Association is very much important, and luckily, through digital media today, the association or networking is enlarged. It's a global level of networking nowadays when compared to the previous years. And you mentioned like a raindrop, if it falls in your hands, it's pure enough to drink. And the same raindrop, if it falls on a rainwater harvesting unit gutter, it goes to the underwater, and we could use it for our future purpose. And again, the same raindrop, if it falls on a hot surface, for example, car engine, etc., it evaporates, and it worthless. And the same raindrop, if it falls on a lotus leaf, it shines like a pearl. And finally, the same raindrop, if it falls on a oyster, oyster shell, it becomes the pearl. It values so much. So the source is same, the raindrop, but it's based on how you are choosing your destiny. You will be worth or worthless. It's up to you. So college is a good source, and similarly your schooling is a good source, and by tomorrow your parents or relatives or tomorrow's corporate is a good source for your networking and your growth. It's not only like a career growth, even your personal growth as well. So the networking is very much important. For example, for your understanding, I'm just saying, I just take an example of Mr. Raja. He knows some 300 plus companies, corporates, and so that is network. And then very next step is how we are utilizing this network to our day-to-day task or day-to-day life, or towards the benefit of the students. So you have to think on, and he is working on it by calling them for campus drives or webinars or internship drives, etc. So I believe you understand it now. And so networking is very much important. So even from today, luckily, the social media is booming up like anything, and even the mobile usage, smartphone usage and data usage is also getting raised. I used to remember in my college days, smartphones are very limited, and secondary thing is, this mobile data amount is also very high. I still used to remember by sending image to the another person, some KBs we used to get a text. So much of KBs you use, and this is the relevant amount towards it. So, but today the source is, very wide. Almost we could say Mr. Raja is having some 30 years of experience, and I also have some 20 years, 15 years of experience, could say like that. But the source is, the Google or other sources, more or less same with us and also to you. Mean to say myself and to you. If you compare, 80% of the sources are from Google. The remaining 20% alone, we are making it through our experience. So, so we have to think it in a right way. It's a very global market, and in various occasions we could see in the papers that few people are checking the debug. They are identifying the bug in Google and in Facebook, and they are valuing by giving some intern offer or other offers to them. We are hearing it. So by sitting at one place, we are getting this kind of fortune, and we have to thank our improvement in the digitalization. So you just imagine about your parents' job search or your previous generation job search. They literally have to roam to each office and have to provide the resumes. That too at the front office, by not sure that whether they provide the resume to the right person or not. That's the kind of job search your previous generation or your parents hold on. But presently, if you take your job search, by sitting at one place, you could apply to n number of companies, and you used to get n number of dual offers. Even in one of my recent event happened some time back before COVID, and in that, it's a kind of corporate and the placement officers connect. One placement officer asked the question that, nowadays the service sectors like TCS and Cognizant are doing national hiring, and because of that, without our knowledge, people are applying to it, and they are taking up an interview process, and they are selecting as well without our knowledge. So they are getting more dual offers. So possible that they'll drop the companies, though the joining ratio is going to be less. So like that, a placement officer asked, and corporate response for that, we need a quality candidates. So if we raise our work culture, probably people used to attract us, and they are going to join with us. That's what the corporate responded to that question. So what we mean to say is, market is very open, and you have to grab an opportunity to take it forward, and it's in your hands to grab it. So this is what I mean to say. And the next slide is this one. And so need of an hour changes. The first and foremost thing, we are in almost could say like post-COVID situation. The things are getting well. We have many clients in Japan. They are telling like India is quite advanced than our country. In India, people have started getting vaccines, and some relaxations are going on, and you guys are back to normal. But we yet to back on track. So like that they told. So India is advanced in that way in the medical practices. And but the first and foremost thing what we have to observe is adoption. As you guys are in final year, for the past 2 to 3 years, and in your schooling life, and from your relative circle, you used to hear that some sort of pattern. This is the pattern the companies and other people are following. Please follow this pattern. But today, in post-COVID, to my knowledge, almost 80 to 85% everything collapsed. There is no such pattern. Even if we take our company, earlier we do not have work from home option, and it's because of client policies. We don't provide our duty to the home or to the other IP address. So people have to come, and they have to sit in our IP address, and they have to finish their job, and they have to move on. So like that we used to work, and we used to say like 9 to 6 or 9 to 7. Don't think about your family, and after 7 o'clock, don't think about your 9 to 7. Don't think about your family, and after 7 o'clock, don't think about the company. Like that we used to say. But today, since it's need of an hour, we are doing work from home. So adoption is something we should accept and move on. Something happened. It's not only to us, even for the entire globe is facing those challenges, and we are coming up. If you take a track of 2020 batch hiring, if you take a track record of 2020 batch hiring, it's very good actually. And so since it's a new company, we started this company Vacant Technologies in July. So last year July, and so some around 200 resources we took it from our previous company itself. It's a kind of merge. So and we targeted 50 freshers, since we need immediate joinees. we targeted 2020 batch freshers, but to our surprise, we unable to fill the batch. So we are running the batch of 40 candidates now. I mean, in shortage of 10 members. So it shows that the market is people are settling at very good companies, and so 2020 batch is good, and similarly with 2021 as well, the projections are good, and even many of the service sectors are announced. You could see it in your the forums, in the social media forums, that they started providing the hike as well to their existing employees, and few of the service sectors mentioned their count. This is going to be my fresher count for the very next year. They announced and they initiated the process as well. So things are going on in a good pace. So be passive and accept the changes and adapt and move on. If we accept and adapt only, we could move to the next level. And the very next one is measure your health. So earlier, particularly in your college life, we cut our breakfast, right? So please don't do that one, and if possible, do Google about it. Cutting our breakfast, it collapses in many ways in the future. So take all the measures to boost your immune system, which is need of an hour. So because we have to prepare for tomorrow as well. All the corporates are started preparing for it. If some this kind of like COVID, if some other thing is happening by tomorrow, without affecting our business, how to move on? So they have options now, action plans now, action A, action B. So similar like that, your health is very much important. If it's damaged, there is no option A or option B or action A or action B. It's a single source, so you should maintain your health. And third one is digitalization. Only because of digitalization, many of the IT sectors are survived in this lockdown period. Since manufacturing sectors are in the transformation from towards digitalization, so they somehow struggled during this lockdown period, and even now they have action A, action B. If something happened, how we could make it forward without affecting our productivity. So they are taking the steps towards it and moving it forward. So digitalization is tomorrow, and by linking with digitalization, could say like cyber security. If everywhere possible for digitalization, in the sense some sort of threats and hackers used to get rise. So cyber security is a solution towards it. So definitely cyber security's market is going to boom like anything when compared to the past. So if you wish to choose your career in cyber security related aspects, it's a good choice. And very next one is e-commerce. E-commerce is something which is related to in your words, could say like the things which comes to you, which reaches you, and which touches the day-to-day life. For example, Zomato, Amazon, Flipkart. So these are the people. So similar like this, a few other products also getting into the picture very recently. We could hear about it, and so it's going to be boom like anything. So even you could target this kind of companies. It's a product-based companies. All are product-based companies. You could target those companies. They have a very good future. And finally, work from home. We forced to do it because of this pandemic, but in future, almost like 70% of the companies are in the thought process that why can't we do work from home at a very long period. I mean, they wish to make it in a shift basis as well. For example, 100 members team, 50 members have to come to office and 50 do work from home for a week period. And the very next week, it's a vice versa. Those who are doing work from home, in the previous week or previous month, they have to come to the office now. So it gives an advantage to the employer as well. So instead of making 100-seater capacity, they could do only 50-seater capacity. So they could save the rental and other facilities. And due to this digitalization, the work and productivity is also not getting affected. So people are at the right move with the productivity. So my next slide is awareness about the companies and their recruitment process pre and post COVID. So which touches our point as well. So difference between product based companies and service based companies in the IT sector. Could any of you explain the name of? It's not like an explanation. The companies which comes in product sector, the companies which comes in service sector. Could you name any of those companies? Anyways, I'm going to answer for it in a few minutes time. So please initiate and answer to it. I'm not your recruiter again. I'm a well-wisher to you. So I'm here to share my knowledge. And probably if you raise your question, I'm going to answer to it. It's going to be a mutual knowledge sharing. So utilize this platform in a very right manner. And please come forward. By avoiding your comfort zones. Since it's a virtual meet, you might have more comfortable than sitting in front of us and doing the process. So please initiate and answer to my question that what are the companies comes in product base and what are the name of the companies which comes under service base. You could answer in any domain. Probably CS and IT people could answer, could give example in your domain, and those who are from non-IT, ECEEE, E&I, you could answer in your domain, and even MBA first year, you could share your knowledge, whether it's right or wrong. You have to open up. So, shall I expect some sort of answers from your end? As mentioned earlier, it should be like a two-way communication. I believe my question is clear. Hello guys, am I audible? Hello? Raja, am I audible?
Yes sir. Audible sir, audible.
Okay, ஒரு ரியாக்ஷனே வராதப்ப நம்மளுக்கு டவுட்
Students,
ஆயிடுது.
everyone.
So the question is very simple, guys. What are the name of the companies comes under product based and the name of the companies comes under service sector. Now, for example, I கொடுக்கிறேன். The bulk people, the bulk hiring guys are service sectors in major. So please open up. Final year, definitely உங்களுக்கு இதெல்லாம் தெரியணும்.
CSE and IT students, you can give your answer.
தமிழ்லயும் சொல்லலாம் பா.
இதெல்லாம் ப்ராடக்ட் பேஸ்டு கம்பெனி, எல்லாமே சாஃப்ட்வேர் கம்பெனி தான். ஓகே, ப்ராடக்ட் பேஸ்டுனா வந்து மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் கம்பெனி பத்தி பேசல. இது வந்து ஃபுல்லா சாஃப்ட்வேர் கம்பெனிலே எது சர்வீஸ் பேஸ்டு கம்பெனிஸ், எது ப்ராடக்ட் பேஸ்டு கம்பெனிஸ் சார் கேக்குறாரு. Yes,
yeah, Deepika is telling Amazon and why in see, I'm not asking you to open your video and share your thoughts. Even in audio mode, you could share your thoughts. தமிழ்லயும் பேசலாம்.
மைக் ஆன் பண்ணி பேசுங்க.
ஆமா, please be open up. இப்போ என்னன்னா, see, we are in a virtual mode. இப்போ நீங்க இன்டர்வியூ இப்படி தான் பண்ணோம். You could take this as an practice. நாளைக்கு நீங்க இப்போ ஒரு கம்பெனிக்கு போய் விர்ச்சுவல் இன்டர்வியூ அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணணும்னா இப்படி இருந்தா முடியுமா? Just think like it's a practice. It's an initial practice to you, and so that you could take it forward. So you no need to open your video, and audio is enough. Karthik, yeah, all are correct. Only text liye. Sorry, that's fine. That's fine. As we are running short of time, we move forward. And since you guys told the product based companies are Amazon, Google, Flipkart, eBay, and few other companies like Zoho, and many are there. So these are the notable companies, could say Apple. And service sectors, your very known people like TCS, Cognizant, Wipro, Accenture, Tech Mahindra. These are the people are in service sector. So next question கேட்கணும்னு தோணுது, இவங்க ஏன் ப்ராடக்ட் அண்ட் இவங்க ஏன் சர்வீஸ் அப்படின்ட்டு. பட் as you guys are taking some time, பட் இப்போ சொல்றேன், at the end of the presentation definitely you have to raise your question. And அந்த ப்ராக்டிஸ் எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க. Since we are in digital world, இந்த ப்ராக்டிஸ் உங்களுக்கு வரணும். Be bold. As mentioned earlier, I'm not your recruiter. I mean today I'm not your recruiter, I'm your well-wisher. So please open up. உங்களுக்கு இப்போ சொல்றப்ப எனக்கு ஃப்ளோ டிஸ்டர்ப் ஆயிரும் நினைக்கிறீங்களா? ஒரு டைரி வச்சுக்கோங்க பக்கத்துல. அந்த டைரியில வந்து எழுதுங்க, அதை பார்த்து அப்படியே படிங்க. ஈவன் யூ குட் ஆஸ்க் இன் தமிழ். நான் ஈவன் ஸ்டில் டுடே ஐ ஹேவ் an habit. நான் டைரி இருக்கேன் பக்கத்துல. So keep that habit. It makes sense. So the difference between product-based companies and service-based companies are just a minute. Yeah. Sorry, I got a phone. The product-based companies own the product. They have a copyright of a product. And but if you take service sectors, they don't do any copyright of the product. They do services for in majority of the times they do service for already existing product. For example, இப்போ SAP ன்னு ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் இருக்கு, probably you guys might know, and in many of the manufacturing and other sectors we are using it because it consists of some set of modules. அதுல நிறைய modules இருக்கும். Finance and control இருக்கு, ABAP is a technical module, and material management, customer relationship management, production planning, accounting, finance and control, human resource management. இந்த மாதிரி some 20 plus modules are available. Supply chain management. So all these modules are needed in a product based company. For example, இப்போ ஒரு Ford, a car company, car manufacturing global company, they are using SAP. And but the internal employees, since they are from non-IT, they do not know how to handle it. So TCS is supporting them. இப்போ அதுதான் கிளைண்ட் லொகேஷன். இப்போ டிசிஎஸ் எம்ப்ளாயிஸ்க்கு கிளைண்ட் லொகேஷன் எதுன்னா ஃபோர்டா இருக்கும். ஸோ அவங்க ஃபோர்ட் கம்பெனிக்கு உள்ள போயும் ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம், ஆன் சைட்டா ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம், ஆர்எல்ஸ் பை சிட்டிங் அட் டிசிஎஸ் ஆஃபீஸ் அவங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணலாம் த்ரூ வெர்ச்சுவல் மோட். ஸோ எஸ்ஏபி இஸ் அ ப்ராடக்ட் பேஸ்ட் கம்பெனி. எஸ்ஏபி ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து ஃபோர்டு வாங்கிட்டாங்க. அண்ட் அந்த அது யூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு இது ஒன் வே ஆஃப் சர்வீஸ். அண்ட் அனதர் வே ஆஃப் சர்வீஸ் வந்து they bought a product some years ago, and due to current market changes, கொஞ்சம் அப்டேஷன்ஸ் வேணும் அந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ல அப்படின்ட்டு they are expecting. Means they could reach product companies or they could reach service based companies. அது ஒரு for minor database updation, அந்த மாதிரி திங்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம் வந்து they used to reach service sector and they are doing it. Partially they are doing a job. The product based companies mainly focus on the product and their upgradations. அவங்க சர்வீஸும் பார்ப்பாங்க, பட் not in the major mode. So and that's the reason they are this is the main difference. இப்போ கூகுள் எடுத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, one more main difference is if you take Google, do you think that any of the individual or any company go and visit the Google that requested the Google that please provide Gmail to us, please provide Google Map to us, please provide Google Drive to us? Yara ketuma? None of us asked. They itself understand the market, and they build the product and they release it. Now everybody is using it and they are getting profits related to it. அந்த மாதிரி தான் எல்லாமே. ஆப்பிள் அவங்க அந்த யூசர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அவங்க கொடுத்தாங்க. And that's the reason they are number one product in the mobile industry. And similar like Amazon and other people, they understand the pulse of the market and they build the product. And similar like that in software. Even if you take our software, it's a no code application. We provide tools, and based on the tools, you itself code. You itself means the customer itself. அவங்களே பண்ணலாம். அந்த மாதிரி we are building a product. It's a future product. So it runs in cloud space. So இது மாதிரி நம்ம நாளைக்கு tomorrow this is going to be the market demand அப்படின்ட்டு we are thinking now and we are building the product. So this is about it. This is the difference. So if you are with a product based company, you are you could experience the technological advancement, and you could experience the R&D is good in product based companies when compared to a service sector. Since we are looking for tomorrow and developing a product today, the research and development should be very strong. So you could experience it in product based companies, and we are quite advanced. If you are building a product today, we think that which is going to rule the market after 5 years, after 8 years. Other thing பண்ணி தான் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பண்ணுவோம். So it's going to be very advanced in the technology, and the user experience could be very high. So அப்படி இருக்கும். So service sectors, நாளைக்கு இப்போ நம்ம இன்னைக்கு ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ரெடி பண்றோம். If you are selling it by tomorrow, after some years, கொஞ்சம் ஏதாவது அந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ல சேஞ்சஸ் வேணும் அப்படின்னா சர்வீஸ் செக்டர்ஸ் get into that picture, and they are developing it. So this is the main difference for your understanding. If you need any deep knowledge, probably you could Google, and it's ready to available for all. And second one is the mode of rounds also differs in the product and service based companies. Even இப்போ நீங்க before attending an interview, you should understand to which company you are sitting, whether you are sitting for the product based company or you are sitting for the service sector. Even I'm telling it to the non-IT candidates as well, those who are from EC, EEE and I. You should also have such awareness in to which company we are doing it. Before attending an interview, you should go through their website and their social sites. Now many of the companies are maintaining their social media sites. Facebook மாதிரி மெயின்டைன் பண்ணல அப்படின்னாலும் Facebook, many of the companies are maintaining Facebook sites as well. அவங்க events எல்லாம் they are sharing it, but definitely they are maintaining LinkedIn site. LinkedIn could say like it's an official professional social media. So almost all the companies are having their account in the LinkedIn. So உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் advanced details வேணும் அப்படின்னா you could check their LinkedIn sites and their websites and gain knowledge. கொஞ்சம் mode of rounds டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கும். And for example, நாங்க சொல்றோம் we are in a cloud space, and so we are very specific to this technology அப்படின்னா அந்த டெக்னாலஜில நாலேஜ் இருக்கிறவங்கள தான் we are expecting. So அந்த ரெஸ்யூமும் அது மாதிரி ரிலேட்டடா வந்தாதான் we consider it. But if you take service sector, similar like us, they are in collaboration with many products in the client location. So one a product may be from .NET background, one from Java background, one from PHP background, one from SAP background. So since they are working in with major customers, the technology is also getting varied. So அவங்களுக்கு என்ன மாதிரி ப்ரொஃபைலா இருந்தாலும் it fits to them. So அவங்களுக்கு I mean your casual resume itself enough, but product company அப்படின்னா we are quite specific, and we are it's a targeted things could say. So this is what, and the very next one is how to target or meet the company expectation, list of sources, your strong presence in the social media, right? எனக்கு ரீசெண்டா ஒரு அப்டேட், it's a funny thing could say, but you just imagine the importance of social media. லிங்க்டின்ல எனக்கு ஒரு கனெக்ட் வந்தது, ஒரு மெசேஜ் ஒருத்தர் போட்டிருந்தாரு, ஒரு பிரைவேட் மெசேஜ். என்னன்னு பார்த்தா அந்த அவர் வந்து ஒரு வீடு ஓனரு, அதுல வந்து டெனண்டா எங்களுடைய ஆபீஸ் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ் ஸ்டேயிங். ஸோ இவருக்கு ஒரு பழக்கம் இருக்கு, யாராவது டெனண்டா வந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா we have to do some sort of background verification about them, அவங்க சொல்றதெல்லாம் கரெக்டா அப்படின்ட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அப்படின்ட்டு. ஏன்னா அவங்க வெளியூர்ல இருந்து கூட வந்திருக்கலாம். ஸோ இவங்க சொல்றதெல்லாம் ஓரளவுக்கு ஜென்யூனா இருக்கான்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அப்படின்ட்டு. ஸோ பையன் சொல்லியிருப்பான் போல, நம்ம கம்பெனி பேர் சொல்லியிருப்பாரு போல. ஸோ he started searching in Facebook and LinkedIn and other sites. அவர் அந்த கேண்டிடேட் அப்டேட் பண்ணலையா என்னன்னு தெரியல. This owner unable to find him in the social medias. So he texted me that this is the name of the candidate and whether he is working with you or not. I just need a casual update related to it அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருந்தாரு. So I searched in my database and I shared to them that yeah, so and so person is working with us from this period onwards அப்படின்ட்டு. ஸோ இது ஃபன்னியா இருந்தாலும் இன் அனதர் சென்ஸ் எந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு கனெக்ட் ஆகுது பாருங்களேன் த சோஷியல் மீடியா அண்ட் அதர் சைட்ஸ். நாளைக்கு நீங்க ஒரு கம்பெனில இருந்து இன்னொரு கம்பெனிக்கு போறீங்கன்னா கூட ஒரு பேக்ரவுண்ட் வெரிஃபிகேஷன் இப்போ ரொம்ப ஃபார்மலா மெயில்ல வருது. நாளைக்கு இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் கூட கேட்கறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. அப்படியே சோஷியல் மீடியால இந்த கம்பெனியா, இந்த கம்பெனி ஹெச்ஆர் யாரு அப்படின்ட்டு லிங்க்டின்லயோ ஃபேஸ்புக்லயோ சர்ச் பண்ணி அப்படியே நம்ம கிட்ட டைரக்டா கனெக்ட் பண்ணி கேட்கறதுக்கு கூட வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. அண்ட் இன் அனதர் சென்ஸ் உங்களை 4 பேர் ரெஃபர் பண்றதுக்கும் வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. அண்ட் ஸோ நெட்வொர்க்கிங் இஸ் வெரி மச் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் டூ ரைட் கனெக்ட்ஸ். அண்ட் டெஃபினெட்லி ஐ நோ தட் in the present generation you guys are very fond of social media and you are spending more times in it, but utilize social media in a very right way. So this is my one, and definitely it helps you in your career. Get ready for the virtual interactions and interviews. So take that tips. இப்போ என்னன்னா initially you do with your friends. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு விர்ச்சுவல் கனெக்ட் யூ அரேஞ்ச். நீங்க அந்த பேக்ரவுண்ட் லைட்டிங் செக் பண்ணுங்க, நாய்ஸ் இல்லாம இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணுங்க, அண்ட் ஹேவ் அ கேஷுவல் கனெக்ட். நீங்க தமிழ்லயே கூட பேசுங்க, அண்ட் பட் கரெக்ட் த அதர் திங்ஸ். இந்த டெக்னிக்கல் திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் கரெக்ட் பண்ணிடுங்க. இன்னைக்கு கூட ஐ ஃபேஸ் an issue and suddenly my laptop camera is not working. So I connected now in my phone. இப்போ ஃபோன் கேமரால தான் நான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன், பட் பிரசன்டேஷன் இன் மை லேப்டாப். ஸோ நான் ரெண்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸோ இட்ஸ் சடன்லி ஹேப்பன். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி எனிதிங் குட் ஹேப்பன் டியூரிங் திஸ் யுவர் இன்டர்வியூ ப்ராசஸ். ஸோ இதுக்கு நம்ம கொஞ்சம் ப்ரிப்பேர்டா இருக்கணும். அண்ட் ஸோ கெட் ரெடி ஃபார் த விர்ச்சுவல் இன்ட்ராக்ஷன்ஸ். ஈவன் போஸ்ட் கோவிட் ஆல்சோ கொஞ்சம் கார்பரேட், சம் பர்சன்டேஜ் ஆஃப் கார்பரேட்ஸ் வாட் தே ஆர் திங்கிங், why we have to travel for the very initial rounds to their places. ஒரு இனிஷியல் ரவுண்ட் வந்து நம்ம வெர்ச்சுவலாவே முடிச்சிடலாமே. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு 100 கேண்டிடேட்ஸ் இன்டர்வியூ பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 100 கேண்டிடேட்ஸ் வெர்ச்சுவலா பார்த்துட்டு we filter it them as 70 or 60, and for the 60 resources we go there or we call them to our office. அப்படி பண்ணிக்கலாமே அப்படின்ட்டு few are thinking of. So this virtual interview and the preparations are very essential. அது கொஞ்சம் you just think of. இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க வெபினார்ஸை கூட you could take it in a very right mode. நீங்க ஒரு ப்ராப்பர் ப்ரொஃபஷனல் ட்ரெஸ் போட்டு ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனல் பிளேஸ்ல வித் ப்ராப்பர் லைட்னிங் அண்ட் நோ எக்கோ ஆர் டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ்ல, நோ நாய்ஸ்ல இருந்து அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இட் கிவ்ஸ் யூ கான்ஃபிடென்ட் அண்ட் இஃப் பாசிபிள் ஓப்பன் யுவர் வீடியோ அண்ட் யூ ரைஸ் யுவர் commands. Everybody is a well-wisher now. Today is not your we are not recruiters for you today. So you should be friendly with us and you could gain your knowledge. It raises your confidence level. And next one is company hiring, moving more to be on code contest, hackathon, interns. Earlier, in the scenario only with the product based companies, but nowadays service sectors also doing this one. ஈவன் ஒரு லேட்டரல் ஹைரிங் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கேண்டிடேட்ஸ் தான் சேலரி டிஃபர் ஆகும். இப்போ ஒரு 2 கேண்டிடேட் இருக்காங்க பை ஹோல்டிங் 10 years ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ், அவங்களுடைய எக்ஸ்போஷர் பொறுத்து சேலரி கம்பெனி டிசைட். ஒருத்தருக்கு 15 lakhs, ஒருத்தருக்கு 18 lakhs சம்திங் அந்த மாதிரி. பட் தட் சேஞ்ச் ஹேப்பன் டுடே வித் ஃப்ரெஷர்ஸ் ஆஸ் வெல். இப்போ நீங்க ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் டிசிஎஸ் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. டிசிஎஸ் நார்மல் இருக்கு, நார்மல் 3.5 lakhs and but if you crack their code contest or hackathon, probably which is much more higher, I believe it's 6 lakhs. So abdilla ipo freshers ke vandirchi. So we have to prepare to it. And also you don't need to be masters in the very advanced technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, and robotics. But the gain what is what அப்படின்றத தெரிஞ்சுக்கினீங்கன்னா டெஃபினெட்லி நாளைக்கு நம்ம பேசுறப்போ we could link towards it and it gives you an added advantage. So in short, apply online, do network, and utilize open source. Many of the things are in open source, so you could gain knowledge towards it. Competitive programming, gain your knowledge related to the programming aspects so that you could stand out from the crowd. So next slide is probably even corporates are doing many changes. We have Action A, Action B as mentioned earlier, and we are ready for the remote technology online, and consider upping the benefit games. Number insurance we are providing. Even today, our company Vacant Technologies are providing COVID vaccines to our employees as well as to their parents for free of cost. So corporates are very supportive towards the employees and towards the society, and you have to come up. நீங்க ஒரு ஸ்டெப் வச்சீங்கன்னா we are ready to come with 10 steps, and the placement team and college is there to support to bridge this gap. So we are doing continuous communication since we are in work from home, and we provide enough things to them. Consider intern hires. Intern hires we are considering nowadays. So intern placements are going to be more, and we adjusted certain HR policies as well. Earlier, we are very strict with the procedure, and now we relaxed. So these are the changes happened in the corporate during this COVID lockdown period. And very next one is our culture is one of the pioneer culture in the global market. I believe you both know those icons. Is Mr. Ratan Tata, and the person who is following in his feet is Mr. Narayana Murthy, who is the founder of Infosys. And Ratan Tata, you knows that is the founder of is not a founder, he is the chairperson and of TCS. So you just imagine they both are billion dollar worth guys. Or you just see the the gratitude towards the people. நம்ம அந்த gratitude is something ஒரு தேங்க்ஸ்க்கு மேல gratitudeன்றது அந்த நம்மளுடைய culture gives that privilege to us, and we are pioneer in it. If you take the global culture, so this is one of the example. What I mean to say is be gratitude to your parents, and be gratitude to your staff and other people. And even at certain colleges I used to say உங்களுடைய first month salary கூட used to get more than your father or mother, which they have some 20 to 30 years of experience. அவங்க they are in non-IT இல்ல ஃபார்மிங்ல இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா அவங்க 20-30 years ஒர்க் பண்ணாலும் hardly they used to get some 50,000 60,000. I'm just saying in an average. But உங்களுக்கு probably if you settle in some good company, your day one seat, that very beginning CTC itself is going to be more than that. But the kind of sacrifice they did to build up you was uncomparable and unmatchable. Definitely அதை நீங்க நினைச்சாலும் உங்களுடைய கிட்ஸுக்கு அதை பண்ண முடியாது. They did it to you, and the gratitude you should have till your end. So this is my personal request. And one funny but very essential thing is be like an onion or tomato. எதுக்கு இது சொல்ல வரேன் அப்படின்னா, இது இல்லாம ஒரு குக்கிங்கே பண்ண முடியாது. ஒரு probably some 5% we could do, but for the remaining 95% இது இருந்தா தான் நம்ம குக்கே பண்ண முடியும். இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம இருக்கணும். We have to be important in all the aspects. அவர் இருக்குமே, அவர் இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படின்ட்டு சொல்லணும். அந்த அளவுக்கு not only in technical, with the personal touch and with the empathy and with other attributes, teamwork, இது எல்லாமே இருந்தா தான் அது ஒரு ரைட் ஃபிட்டா இருக்கும். And for your understanding, I'm just saying, ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் அப்படின்னா ஒரு ஐடி செக்டர், if you take IT sector, ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் மீன்ஸ் it depends with many aspects, technology, design, documentation, testing, and then development. So இது எல்லாமே it's a mixture to build a product. So நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து ஒன்லி டெவலப்மெண்ட் தான் தெரியும். ஸோ டெஸ்டிங், டிசைனிங், டாக்குமெண்டேஷன், these are also part of the thing. அதுலயும் நீங்க if you gain your knowledge, you have great future. And next one is give back to society. It's something kind of be gratitude to your to the society. We are getting everything. See, today we are used to get some sort of volunteer help from many sources, and tomorrow we have to donate. அது பண்ணா திருப்பி அந்த volunteer donation அப்படின்ட்டு, because today you are a student and maybe you do not have money but you have time to invest, you have energy to invest. So you, for example, you are eligible to go to any government school and teach to those kids, and you could go to government school, you could plant a tree, and you could clean the government school. Or 1 year அது க்ளோஸ் ஆயிருக்கு, எப்படியா இருக்கும் பாருங்க. You could go and clean. ஒரு volunteer பண்ணா definitely they will support you. Government schools or some other area, common places. So today you do this volunteer, and by tomorrow if you settle in your life and by earning a decent money, donate to the society. That's the thing we provide, the give back to the society, which is the aim of life. So be plus have, behave. Most bad behavior comes from insecurity. So don't be insecure, and everything be at place. People are ready to support you, and the only thing is now take so please open up. Am I
So வீடியோ கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ட்ரக் ஆகுது சார், உங்க வாய்ஸ் இஸ் நாட் ஆடிபிள். சரத் சார், நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூஸ் நினைக்கிறேன்.
Hi Raja.
Yes sir, sir, network issue, your voice is not audible. Sarath sir.
Hi Mr. Raja, am I audible?
Yes sir.
Hello.
You are audible right now. Yes sir, you are audible. Sir, you are audible now.
Thank you guys. Thank you Raja. So you could raise any sort of questions, since MBA people are here, and particularly I'm expecting something from you. The basic qualification for MBA is, you should open up. This is a very basic quality. Should be as an MBA person. So MBA guys, please open up, and you could raise any sort of questions not related to this topic, and you could connect with any common questions, and it's common for all, could say. So please open up and raise your question.
Any student?
Hello Raja, am I audible?
You can ask. Yes sir, you are audible sir. Students, you can raise your questions. If you need any clarification, you can ask.
Okay.
Computer science, IT.
There are two ways. If they are not raising the question, one is they know everything, and second option is they know nothing. So I do not know in what mood. So
Students,
common probably.
Yes sir.
Tamil as well. Yeah.
Students, you can ask question now. உங்களுக்கு என்ன question வேணாலும் நீங்க கேட்கலாம். ப்ராடக்ட் பேஸ்டு கம்பெனின்றது ஒரு ட்ரீம் கம்பெனி கம்பேர்ட் டு சர்வீஸ் பேஸ்டு கம்பெனியை விட என்ன பேக்கேஜ் அதிகமா இருக்கும். அது உங்களுக்கு நல்ல ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ஸ்கில் இருந்தா யூ கேன் கெட் இன் டு ப்ராடக்ட் பேஸ்டு கம்பெனி. ஸோ சார் வந்து IVTL அப்படின்றது வந்து இன்ஃபோவியூ டெக்னாலஜிஸ் லிமிடெட். இட்ஸ் அ வண்டர்ஃபுல் கம்பெனி. நமக்கு ஒரு 2 years வந்து ஆன் கேம்பஸ் விசிட்டே வந்தாங்க. IMR சரண்யான்னு சொல்லிட்டு 2017 பேட்ச். அவங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் ஆனாங்க அந்த கம்பெனியில. இந்த பேக்கேஜே பாத்தீங்கன்னா சர்ப்ரைசிங்கா இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு கம்ஸ் அரௌண்ட் வந்து ஒரு 4.2 to 4.5 lakh. I mean, that time on the 2018, TCS விப்ரோட அதிகமான சம்பளம் கொடுத்த கம்பெனி. ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் பேஸ்டு கம்பெனில வந்து யூ வில் பி கெட்டிங் மோர் சேலரி தேன் சர்வீஸ் பேஸ்டு கம்பெனி. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு எக்ஸலண்டான ஒரு கம்பெனி. ஓகே, ஸோ சாருக்கும் வந்து கன்சிடரபிள் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்கு. நீங்க என்ன கொஸ்டின் வேணாலும் ஹம்பிளா கேட்கலாம். நீங்க உங்களுக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் எல்லாம் புரியுது. சொல்லிட்டீங்க ஜோஹோ கார்பரேஷன், அமேசான், eBay, பேபால் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கீங்க. சார்ட்ட நீங்க கேட்கலாம் உங்களுக்கு என்ன டவுட்டா இருந்தாலும், என்ன ஸ்கில்ஸ் ப்ரொசஸ் பண்ணிருக்கணும்.
ரிலேட்டட் டு FPU இது ரிலேட்டடாவும் கேட்கலாம் ஆர் இன் காமன் எனிதிங் யூ குட் ஆஸ்க்.
எஸ் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் நத்திங். மோனிகா, தேவி,
ஒரு டெக்ஸ்ட்ல கூட போடுங்க. அந்த டெக்ஸ்ட்க்கு we could reply.
சபரி, விஷால், பிரவீன். Okay sir,
So gain this habit. இது வந்து which is very essential habit.
Yes, Bhavya, if you want to ask question you can ask. Switch on your mic, you can ask. Bhavya?
இல்ல பயப்படவே வேணாம். இப்போ as I already mentioned, I'm not a recruiter. So please be open up and தமிழையும் கேட்கலாம். இப்போ இந்த ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எடுக்கல அப்படின்னா நாளைக்கு நம்ம how we face our
Okay.
ஒரு லைன் கதை ஒன்னு சொல்றேன்.
Please sir, go ahead.
King of Jungle.
சொல்லுங்க.
ஒரு டெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன போடுங்க. Why lion is the king of jungle? When compared to lion, you know, many are faster, wiser, taller and sharper. இல்லையா? When compared to lion, cheetah is faster. When compared to lion, giraffe is taller. When compared to lion, you know, wolf is right. See, even you do not know how to climb the trees. And even if you know the hunting of lion, the strategy of hunting, male lion is not doing anything. Female lion is hunting and feeding to the male lion. He do not know how to climb the trees. So, nariya setback irukku. With all these setbacks, but again, why we call lion as the king of jungle? Yeah, more brave than other animals. Brave மட்டும் இருந்தா போதுமா? ஒரு எலிஃபண்ட் லைன் ஒரு எலிஃபண்ட் ஒரு அடி அடிச்சதுன்னா லைன் அவள் தான் எங்கேயோ போய் ஊந்துரும் இல்லையா?
It has some ethics. It has follow some ethics.
The ethics alone is enough. See, if we have some strong attire with ethics, makes sense. இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் உங்க லாஜிக்கே நான் வரேன். ஒரு எலி இருக்கு, ஒரு ராட் ஒரு நல்ல எத்திக்ஸ் இருந்தா did it became a king of jungle? பண்ண முடியுமா?
No sir.
So the answer is it have right attitude. And for example, if lion and the elephant ran away because it do not know its strength. But even though the lion knows that elephant is stronger than a lion, it rose in front of elephant. And அந்த brave இருக்கணும், அந்த initiate இருக்கணும். அந்த initiate எடுத்தாதான் we could move forward in life. So இது எதுக்கு இவ்வளவு பெரிய கதை சொன்ன அப்படின்னா ப்ளீஸ் இனிஷியேட் அப்படின்றதுக்காக அந்த கதை. And
any other question? Pongodi? Any other question?
MBA guys, you could raise your question. So my common thing ஒரு summary மாதிரி கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா you should know, gain knowledge about the product based companies and service based companies and target product based companies. And it's not so easy to place with a product based company, but if you get placed, your technological advancement and your salary advancements will be very good. So target those companies and prepare the resume related to it. எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரே ரெஸ்யூமே வைக்காதீங்க. And start building your network. எப்படியும் you guys in social media in all the sites, start building the network, and by tomorrow definitely some of the networks will support you in a right way. So networks இருக்கு கண்டிப்பா. உங்களுக்கு Facebook friends நிறைய இருப்பாங்க, LinkedIn friends நிறைய பேர் இருப்பாங்க. பட் த ரைட் நெட்வொர்க் ஐ மீன் டு சே, ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனல் நெட்வொர்க்கும் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி நெட்வொர்க் யூ ஆர் மெயின்டைனிங் இட், ஐ நோ தட். பட் ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனல் நெட்வொர்க்கும் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுங்க. பை டுமாரோ நீங்க இப்போ ஒரு ஒரு கம்பெனில ஒருத்தர் ஒர்க் பண்றாரு, உங்களோட அலுமினி இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, பை சீயிங் யூ அண்ட் யுவர் அப்ரோச் டுவர்ட்ஸ் தெம், அவங்களுடைய கம்பெனிக்கு உங்களை ஃப்ரெஷரா இருக்கிறப்போ, அவன் ஆஃப்டர் 2 years ஆஃப் இஃப் யூ விஷ் டு ஷிஃப்ட் டு சம் அதர் கம்பெனி, நீங்க என்ன சொல்றது, some other people might support you this network. And for the MBA graduates, this is a question for you. And there is a saying, if people are with the same company for more than 5 to 6 years, their productivity is, மாதிரி ஒரு சர்வே இருக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு ஒரு சர்க்குலேட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு ஒரு மெசேஜ். இஸ் இட் ரைட் ஆர் ராங்? வாட் இஸ் யுவர் வேர்ட்ஸ்? Since it's management question, I'm just raising this question to you, and I believe I'm clear. I'll repeat once again. There is a saying that somebody conducted a survey, and saying that people are with the same company for more than 5+ years, their productivity is getting less. அப்படின்ட்டு இருக்கு. Is it right or wrong? Hi, Mr. Raja, am I audible? And did my question is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your voice is audible.
Yeah. நீங்க தமிழ்ல ஆன்சர் பண்ணலாம். This is anybody could answer. இது not only for MBA. MBA அவங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ரிலவெண்டா இருக்கும் அப்படின்ட்டு MBA சொன்னேன். And if any other department have knowledge also, you could answer to this question. Yeah, Mr. Raja, what is your takeaway in this? இது மாதிரி ஒரு சர்வே போயிட்டு இருக்கு, உங்களுடைய ஷேர் என்ன இது ரிலேட்டடா? இல்ல நீங்க மியூட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, பி அன்மியூட். Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, please repeat the question, sir. One MBA candidate is ready to give answer to your question, sir. Kindly repeat your question.
Okay. என்ன கொஸ்டின் அப்படின்னா, some sort of information is sharing to all that. இப்போ ஒரு எம்ப்ளாயி வந்து is working more than 5 years in one company, their productivity is அப்படின்ட்டு ஒரு சர்வே சொல்லுது.
Sir, actually audio வந்து ஸ்டக் ஆகுது.
What is your words related to it?
Sir, audio ஸ்டக் ஆகுது சார்.
அப்படியா?
கொஞ்சம்
just a minute.
I think it's okay now.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. So this is the question. The question is one survey is saying that if an employee is working with the same company for more than 5 years, their productivity is getting low or less. Did that words are right?
No, sir. How it is possible, sir? The productivity for an organization will be increased, sir, because the specialization will be increased. If any employee working in the same organization and focusing on the same task, then the productivity will be much better than, sir. How it is possible, sir?
Very true. இது ஏன் இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் வருது அப்படின்னா, particularly in this IT culture, non-IT are quite okay in it. Their retention is good. But in the IT ல வந்து people are shifting the companies in 2 to 3 years period. அவங்களால வந்த இந்த கொரி, இந்த சர்வே எல்லாம் இது. So on my observation towards is, as Raja told, for example, if you take my with Infoview for 6+ years, and very initial 2 years, for many new assignments, I go and my CEO and my heads, I do the job. But after that, I know the pulse of them. So இது எதுக்கு போனா அக்செப்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, எதுக்கு போனா அக்செப்ட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, which is right or wrong to mindset. அதை பார்த்துட்டு I itself used to take a decision. I don't go and disturb them often. முடிச்சிட்ட அப்புறமா I completed this task அப்படின்ட்டு மட்டும் தான் சொல்லுவேன். So this is the answer towards it. நீங்க கூட பாப்பீங்க, மேபி by tomorrow if you do a gradual search in the social media, these sort of questions are popping up. Even ஒருத்தர் சுஜித்தையே கேட்டாரு. சுஜித் as a VP at Infosys, he completed 20 years recently. So he mentioned it in Twitter. So ஒரு பையன் கேட்டான், ஒரு 5 years மேல இருந்தாலே ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டி கம்மியாயிரும்ன்றாங்க, நீங்க 20 years சொல்றீங்களே, வாட் இஸ் யுவர் டேக் அவே இன் இட் அப்படின்ட்டு சுஜித் கிட்டே கேட்டாங்க. அண்ட் யா
as my என்னோட கன்சர்ன், நான் ஒரு இப்போ ஒரு 15 years நான் இங்க ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் சார். ஆக்சுவலா என்னோட ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது, ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்குது. மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் கொடுக்குற டார்கெட்டை வந்து ஈஸியா அக்காம்ப்ளிஷ் பண்ண முடியுது. ஸோ ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டி வந்து இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகும் சார். நம்ம எவ்வளவு நாள் அதிகமா ஒர்க் பண்றோமோ ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டி வில் பி இன்க்ரீஸ் as far as my knowledge, sir.
Yeah, it's true as well. We also understand the pulse of the organization and the people. So definitely it raises the productivity.
Karthik sir, he asked questions, sir, in the chat box.
How to become a data scientist being as a fresher, sir? As well your standard. At the day one, you cannot expect as a data scientist because it needs lot of knowledge. But அது வந்து நீங்க ஒரு ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் கோலா வச்சுக்கணும் in 1 or 2 years period. So join in any company, particularly in product company, it makes more relevant towards it. நீங்க join as a fresher, as a developer, or ப்ராடக்ட் கம்பெனி போனா இன்னும் நல்லது. ஏன்னா அங்கதான் அந்த R&D எல்லாம் இருக்கும், which is related to data scientist. So gradually by seeing your work, people will shift you to the other departments. R&D போயிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா then that's your goal, you achieve that goal. So day one ஆயிர முடியாது. ஈவன் சாஃப்ட்வேர் லைஃப் சைக்கிளே இருக்கு, அந்த என்டையர் லைஃப் சைக்கிள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு இட் டேக்ஸ் டைம் ஃபார் யூ. நீங்க இனிஷியலா வந்து ஒரு ஸ்மால் பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஒரு பிக் மிஷின்ல ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பீங்க. டு கெயின் த நாலேஜ் ஆஃப் த என்டையர் மிஷின் இட் டேக்ஸ் டைம். And again for the organization like startup, கொஞ்சம் early கத்துப்பீங்க. Some big organizations they already follow some sort of procedure and flow. So அந்த flowல போயிட்டு வரதுக்கு it take more time. I believe I answered to your question. Yeah. Okay, Raja, I believe that's it. Shall we? Yeah, please go ahead, Nirmal.
Sir, we are in computer science department, sir. But we have learned only coding and then programming languages, sir. But how can we join and then get Chinese in the product-based companies?
Hello.
அங்கேயும் எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன் அதுதான். See, with the fresher, the expectation is more or less same with the product company and the service company. And but the thing is, how deep you are. உங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த என்ன சொல்றது, how strong you are in the logics and in the basics. அதை வச்சுதான் we have to take it forward. நீங்க just Google about the mode of rounds and the experience. A few people are sharing their experience by settling in. அவங்க சொல்றது இதுதான். So they are not very extraordinary and all. So the expectation is common with everybody, but the thing is like a kind of smartness, as mentioned earlier. If you have additional knowledge about testing and designing, probably it gives added advantage to you.
So thank you.
So Yeah, first and foremost thing is you have to listen. Social media is the right place. So listen to those people and their queries. இப்போ நீங்க just a minute, அது பேர் மறந்துட்டேன் நானு. கிளாஸ் டோர்னு ஒரு சைட் இருக்கு. மெனி சைட்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் கெட்டிங் திஸ் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள். கிளாஸ் டோர பர்பஸ் என்னன்னா கம்பெனியோட ரிவ்யூஸ், கம்பெனியோட ஆவரேஜ் சேலரி ஸ்ட்ரக்சர், கம்பெனியோட இன்டர்வியூ ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் டிப்ஸ், அதுக்கான சைட் அது. அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய சைட் இருக்கு. நீங்க யூ குட் டார்கெட். இப்போ என்ன சொல்றது, கூகுள் ஃப்ரெஷர் இன்டர்வியூ கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அப்படின்னு கேட்டாலும் உங்களுக்கு கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வரும். அண்ட் ஸோ ப்ரிப்பேர் ரிலேட்டட் டு இட். யூ ஆர் எலிஜிபிள் ஃபார் ஆல் த கம்பெனிஸ். And the only thing is you have to do some என்ன சொல்றது, some sort of touch ups and preparation related to it. Thank you, Nirmal. Finally, at least one person opened up. And yeah, one more question. Yeah, except programming skills, what other skill is more important skill in product based companies? See, the idea and your focus and your long-term goal and short-term goal, your passion, particularly your passion, could say. These are all the the unique factors. Probably it's a kind of non-technical, but this makes more sense. You should have that passion. I suggest you all that go to LinkedIn and follow everybody. Almost follow all CEOs. எல்லாருமே அவைலபிள் இருப்பாங்க in LinkedIn. அவங்க at their free times they provide their I mean some sort of post. அதில் கொஞ்சம் sort of knowledge அவங்கள ஷேர் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. So by reading those things and innovations, it started creating a passion in you. That passion drives you to the heights. You have to learn more. All the placing in service sector is very very quite easy. நீங்க இப்போ ப்ராடக்ட் செக்டாரை டார்கெட் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா பிளேசிங் இன் சர்வீஸ் செக்டார் இஸ் வெரி ஈஸி. ஒரு ஃபன்னியா இன்னொன்று உங்க அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்க்கு சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா, என்ன ஸ்டேட் டாப்பரா அப்படி ஒரு டார்கெட் பண்றவன் வந்து பாஸ் ஆவானா ஃபெயில் ஆகுமா அப்படின்ற திங்கிங் அவனுக்கு இருக்காது. நம்ம டார்கெட்டே 65 அப்படின்றவங்களுக்கு தான் வந்து ஒரு பயம் இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். ஐயோ நம்ம பாஸ் ஆகுமா ஃபெயில் ஆகுமா அப்படின்ட்டு, இல்லையா? ஸோ ஆல்வேஸ் எய்ம் ஹை, டெஃபினெட்லி யூ ரீச் த பிளேசஸ். இனிஷியலா உங்களுக்கு ப்ராடக்ட் செக்டார் கிடைக்கல அப்படின்னா லேண்ட் இன் சம் சர்வீஸ் செக்டார் ஜாப் அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் 2 years, ஐ மீன் இட்ஸ் நாட் லைக் 2 years, ப்ளீஸ் ஒர்க் அவுட். ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டே இருங்க இன் 2 to 3 years பீரியட், ஆர் திஸ் இஸ் த பீரியட் I should shift அப்படின்ட்டு. அப்போ jump to a product sector. So market is open and always it's available for the people, those who are in demand. இப்போ என்ன சொல்றது, if your skills are demand, your profile is demand. இப்போ நிறைய பேரெல்லாம் நான் பார்க்குறேன் in 2 years period they are getting 20 lakhs. So always there is a demand. If you that you have to create that demand.
Nirmal, your question.
அவரு கேட்டாருங்க. ஓகே, மேபி another question.
Okay, sir. Okay. Any other question? Or shall we wind up the session?
You guys should know the entire software development life cycle and software testing life cycle, and at least some basic knowledge related to it and how the product is functioning. That makes more sense. Through Google, definitely you'll gain that knowledge. Fine, Mr. Raja, shall we close on?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
I
sir.
have your LinkedIn ID? அப்படிலாம் நீங்க கேட்கவே கூடாது. நேரா போய் சர்ச் அடிச்சாலே வரும். இந்த மாதிரி என்ன சொல்றது, நீங்க யாரு கூடனா கனெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். இந்த மாதிரி இப்படி டார்கெட் பண்ணோன்னே கிடையாது. இன்ஃபோவியும் டைப் பண்ணுங்க, வேகன் டெக்னாலஜிஸ்ன்னு டைப் பண்ணுங்க. அதுல என்ன கொஞ்சம் சம் மெம்பர்ஸ் வருவாங்க, அதுல என் பேரும் வரும். என் பேர் வச்சு டைப் பண்ணுங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். by with keywords, company name and the person's name, definitely you could connect. ஈஸியாவே கிடைக்கும். அதனால தான் நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன்றேன். நீங்க just type and follow many people. அவங்க போற போஸ்ட் எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா it inspires you, that creates passion in you. Yeah,
Okay, sir. So,
fine, Mr. Raja.
thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much for telling our students, especially the final year students, to understand the difference between the product-based companies and the service-based companies, and inform them what skill sets they must possess to get into a product-based company. So, definitely, our students benefited, sir, today attending your session. Thank you very much, sir, once again, by accepting our invitation, okay, and your valuable speech, and sparing time with the final year students for more than 1.5 hours. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Raja. It's a mutual pleasure. And guys, as mentioned, if you take one step, people are ready, including corporates, through placement officers, to reach you with 10 plus steps. So, but we expect that first step from your end. So, thank you, Mr. Raja, and thank you all for your support and patience.
Thank you so much.
Thank